Hi everyone, my name is Mehmet Sheikh, and in my last video I started a video tutorial series on C programming language, and in that video I started my discussion on a very simple topic, which is what is programming and why one should learn programming language. So if you guys have not watched this video, I just recommend you guys to watch that previous video. And in this video I'm going to discuss on another topic, which is what is C programming language. So before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any queries, then let me know in the comment section. So now let us come to our today's topic, which is what is C programming language. So as you can see here, I have written down few points. So with the help of each and every of these points, we'll try to understand this today's topic. Okay, now the first point is C is a general purpose programming language created by Dennis Ritchie at the Bell Laboratories in 1972. Okay, so C is considered as a general purpose programming language. There are few languages which comes under the group of domain specific programming languages, and there are few programming languages which comes under the group of general purpose programming languages. Okay, so we will be going to mainly focusing on general purpose programming language. Okay, so C comes under the category of general purpose programming language, and this language has been created by Dennis Ritchie at the Bell Laboratories in 1972. Okay, so now the second point is here, general purpose programming language means it is applicable across different platforms or domains. Now the next point is a general purpose programming language is a language that can be used to solve a wide range of computing problems, as opposed to a language designed for a specific or narrow task. Okay, as I have said that there are few languages such as Fortran, which stands for formula translation, and COBOL, which stands for common business oriented language. Okay, and then we have a PHP programming languages. So these programming languages comes under domain specific programming language, which means their range is narrow. The use of these programming languages are restricted, and you can use Fortran to perform whenever there is a need to perform calculation kind of thing. So COBOL, common business oriented programming language. Okay, so you cannot use COBOL for developing web applications. We can use these programming languages only for a specific task, only for a specific purpose. And we have a PHP, a hypertext preprocessor. With this PHP programming, you can only develop web applications, whereas you cannot develop mobile applications, you cannot develop desktop applications, so their scope is limited. So such types of programming languages comes under domain specific programming languages, whereas C comes under general purpose programming language. You can use C programming to develop drivers, to develop compilers, and even you can use this C programming language to create desktop applications as well. Okay, that means the range of this C programming languages is wide. You can use this programming language for perform different or varieties of tasks. That's why C programming language has been called as general purpose language. Okay, now examples of general purpose language include C, Java, Python, and JavaScript. Okay, there are many other programming languages also available which comes under the category of general purpose language, and those are Java, Python, and JavaScript. So these languages are versatile. Okay, you can develop different types of applications with these programming languages and can be used for a variety of applications, including desktop applications. Yes, you can use the C language or this Java, Python, and JavaScript for scientific computing, for developing compilers, for developing game applications, okay, and even more. And then the next point is it is designed for creating system applications that directly interact with the hardware devices such as drivers, kernels, etc. Okay, so C programming can also be used to develop system applications. or system softwares. System applications are those applications which can be used by the operating system to directly interact with the hardware devices such as drivers, kernels, etc. Next point is, it is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Okay, yes, C programming language is considered as one of the most popular programming languages in the world because it is easy to understand, and even a beginner, just by spending few time, can easily learn this language. Next is, if you know C, you will have no problem learning other programming language such as Java, Python, C++, C hash, etc. as the syntax is similar. Okay, so now with this point, what we are trying to say is, if you learn C programming language, then you will not find any difficulty in learning any other programming languages which were almost similar to C, like Java, Python, C++, C hash. Okay, so you can easily learn these programming languages once you completely understood C programming language because the syntax is almost similar. Okay, now the last point is, C is very fast compared to other programming languages like Java and Python. Okay, C is a very fast language. Whatever programs and applications you develop with the help of C programming languages, those applications and programs can run even faster than those softwares or applications which were developed with Java and Python. Okay, so with these 7 points, I have tried to make you understand the concept of what is C programming language. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood. Okay, so in this video, I have tried to focus on general purpose programming language, and C is a general purpose programming language because their area is vast. We can use this C programming language to develop different types of applications. Okay, that's why it has been termed as general purpose programming language. So I hope you guys have understood the explanation of each and every point, and if you guys have got some valuable information from this video, then click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you guys have any queries, then let me know in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video where I will be coming up with any other topic from C programming language. Okay, and thanks for watching.